Hello guys, this is Shreyas, and today I'm just going to be showing you how you can download and use the Unity 3D editor on a Linux machine. So today we have an Arch Linux distribution here. Specifically, I have the Manjaro distribution because I just like it a lot. And to install Unity, what you're gonna need is actually the Unity is stored on the AUR repository, which is the Arch user repository. So you're gonna need an AUR helper like Yaourt or me personally, I like to use ARMan. You can download it from AUR using Yaourt. So ARMan is very similar to Pacman, so that's why it's very simple to use it. So anyway, to download Unity, you're just gonna type RMan and don't include sudo because RMan doesn't use sudo. You're gonna enter the password later, but you just put RMan, and then it's very similar to Pacman. So almost all the operations are the same. So RMan s, and then you put Unity editor. So the name of the package is Unity editor. That's the package you want. So once you do that, it's gonna look up AUR and it's initializing Osman. Yep, so that's the one. Now you could use Yaourt. It's gonna show around 20 different packages, including a beta build of Unity editor. But personally, I don't really want to use that. But you can look up whatever package you want and just use that with RMan. The reason I'm not using Yaourt is because Yaourt is poorly written and it's not secure. It's just tries to mess with the package build. So anyway, we just put UI, and now it's gonna download the Unity. Now it's gonna ask you if you want to read the package build, and the changelog. But if you want to view it, you just press yes. But I don't really want to see it right now, so I'll just press N and go ahead. So now it's gonna ask for a password to install to build the package. So you're gonna put your user password in there, and now it's gonna install Unity. Now keep in mind that the Unity package is a bigger package, so it's gonna need around 17 GB of space to download or something like that, and I think 10 more an additional of 10 more GB an additional of 10 GBs more to install Unity. So currently it may look like it's been frozen, so I'm just gonna leave it here, and I'll be back when it's finished installing. So I'm just gonna pause the video I'm just gonna pause the video editor right here. Okay guys, welcome back, and after a while, probably like 10 minutes or 15 minutes, it's gonna unpack the Unity editor package, and it's gonna ask you to install it. So now it needs around 2 GB of space to install the package. So we're just gonna put Y and go ahead with the installation. Now as you can see, it's still gonna take quite a lot of time, and it usually would take the same amount of time on a Windows machine, I guess, because I never really tried using Unity on a Windows machine. So basically this before I can pause the video again, I just want to say that while you're installing right now, it'll just install the Unity standard editor. So if you want the Android dependencies to make games for Android and export them to Android, you're gonna need the JDK and the NDK and stuff. The JDK and the SDK, and you're gonna need to install that too. And I'm gonna if you like this video, and if you just comment down below that you need a different tutorial for that, I'll just make a different Android tutorial where I'm just gonna show how to install Android for Unity, and also how you can use Android Connect on your phone with Linux. So anyway, it looks like the installation was done, and I thought it would take longer, but it got finished like in almost like 17 minutes since I started. So we're back here, and as you can see, if you go to development, Unity is actually installed over here. So you can run that, and just wait for it to start up. So as you can see, it is working, and once you start up, it's gonna show you the home screen where you can log into your Unity account. So I do have a Unity account. I had to create an Outlook account. I know it's funny because people would generally use Gmail, but I did it for reasons I don't know. Anyway, so once you do that, you're just gonna sign into your Unity account. And yeah, so it's gonna ask you the your agreement stuff and all, and you can read it if you want, and you just put I agree. So personally, I have the Unity Personal. I don't have the Plus or Pro. So we're gonna go ahead with that, and so I haven't really made a lot of revenue, so I'm just go ahead with less than 100,000. So if you cross the $100,000 limit, which is very unlikely, because it's very difficult to make video games like that, so you're just gonna be needing the pro or the professional other license. So I'm just gonna put the company organizer represent on less than $100,000. Next. So it's just gonna ask for your since I'm starting this on a new machine, it's gonna ask you for your location. So I'm just gonna put my location. In what capacity do you primarily use? So yeah, I am a hobby. Oh wait. Okay. So I'm gonna put hobbyist because I don't really use Unity as a part of my education, and I am a programmer. Well, I don't know why it's asking so many questions because this is new. This wasn't that big previously. So I'm an intermediate. So I primarily make for Android and also Steam. I mean, yeah, PC. So it's gonna you can put Windows down over there, and also I make Linux games sometime, but and I don't really make that many games. That's it, and some apps maybe sometimes. So I don't really know why it's asking all this survey kind of thing. It wasn't there before. So as you can see, there's not any projects stored locally. So, but in the cloud, I didn't actually. How do I say? I didn't actually upload all my files. So you can start using on disk, and you can create a new project. And I'm just gonna call this test. I don't really have any ideas right now to make a game, but you can go to near my file system, and in here I'm just gonna make a folder, and I'm gonna call it Unity Projects. And I'm gonna put it over here. Oh, I'm sorry, I think that, yeah, so there you go. And that was the name of my organization that I gave. Anyway, I'm just gonna put 3D. You can add the package if you want, and then create package. I mean project. It's a very hot day here, and it's just gonna import some stuff. I'm running on low battery. So as you can see, it started up Unity pretty well, and I can start using Unity actually. So I'm gonna make a different video if you want to know how I make like a C# script, and it actually has MonoDevelop, I think, but I'm not sure. So let's just open this up. So yeah, I don't think there is a develop editor I've installed on the system. So I'm gonna make a different video for that, and if you want to see it, just comment it down below. And thank you for watching this video, guys, and have a nice day.